Let's change your Roblox avatar. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer, and we can get to your avatar, and there are two main categories. One is you can customize the build and the look, the hair, the clothing, the skin color, all that stuff. And then the other one is the marketplace where you can buy new things for your avatar. So if you're on Marketplace here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. You can see avatars that you can buy, body styles, clothing. You can buy different shirts. Some of them are pretty cheap, only 5 Robux. Accessories for your head, like a Santa hat, all of those different ones. However, keep in mind, all of these require Robux, and you have to pay to get those. However, there's a whole other free section to customize your Roblox avatar. So let's tap on customize here, and you'll be able to see it says basically a bunch of different characters, but let's go to head and body. You can choose a man's face, a woman's face, or a Stevie standard if you wanted to. You can also choose paid for versions, but you can also go to hair and customize the hair, the skin, the faces, the torso. And then we can also go to clothing. And you'll be able to see on clothing here, if I go all the way over to classic shirts, these are a number of different shirts that are completely free. And then you can also go over to classic shirts, and you might have uploaded your own shirt or created your own shirts on here, and you can use those as well. You can also change the accessory, the emotes, if you wanted shrug or dancing or anything like that, as well as the animation. So keep in mind, a lot of these are free to completely customize your emoji or your avatar rather, but you can also pay for various ones using Robux.